Squad. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you tell by the title, you guys, I am going on Monkey app, and I'll be flirting with the guys or whoever on Monkey app. And you already know I'm gonna have my teeth in my mouth. If you know what I'm saying, if you already been here rocking with me, you already know how it goes down. But if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn your post notification on so you be notified every time we post a freaking video. We on the road to 36K for my 36th birthday, okay? So I need you guys to keep on hitting that subscribe button, sharing the videos out. My birthday is August the 26th, you guys. So if you're watching this video, I don't know how many days. It is 2 days from now because I don't know if it's supposed today or tomorrow. However, my birthday is August the 26th, okay? So, y'all keep on sharing the video out for your girl. You know what I'm saying? Gotta make this birthday wish come true. Some kind of way. Not, I don't know, you know, they say manifest it, you know, claim it, whatever that is, you know, it's gonna happen. And I don't know about all that. But today's post notification shout out goes to Lisa Telly and Dominique Adores. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And just know your comment did not go unrecognized, okay? But we've been on here just trolling you guys, messing with people, just do what we do. And let's hop into the freaking video. Let's get it. Let's go and let's grow. Ooh, what your fine ass doing on her?
Bruh, chill.
You got a girl? You got a girl?
Nah, I got 3 girls.
Shit, make me number 4, baby. Add me to the list. I'm trying to get over there to you.
You need to do stuff.
I need to do stuff. What you need me to do, baby? You want me to pose? Shit, I do anything. I want to do whatever I gotta do to get to you.
Nah, you're too pretty for me.
Oh shit! You know I ain't trying to mess up nothing. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to mess up nothing.
Yeah, you're gonna make a very hard job.
Huh? I'll make a joke. What did he say about me? Ooh, what you doing, little daddy?
Shit, cooling.
Shit, let me come and cool off with you.
Sure you can.
Shit, give me the time in the place. I'll be over there.
Shit, I'm in Columbia.
Baby, I'm trying to come to you. Columbia. I'm trying to be a Colombian. Huh?
You can.
I'm saying time and place. What's your number?
Shit, right now.
What's your number?
Shit, I don't think you get my number on there.
Huh?
You can't get my number on there. I got iCloud.
What you mean? I can't get your number on this.
I got iCloud.
I'm saying what you saying?
I got an iCloud.
You keep saying it. I know you keep saying you got an iCloud, baby. What's your number?
You got iPhone?
I got this little right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm working on it.
Let me get your Instagram.
I ain't got that on her yet.
Damn.
It's okay. I catch you on the flip side. On the flip side. You know what I'm saying? I catch you on the flip side. You got me? Peace out. Alright. I got iCloud. Who's calling somebody for real? My phone about to die. Ooh! Say, what's up, little daddy? Hey, you got a girl?
No.
Huh? Which one of y'all single? Huh? Hey, say. Ooh, what you got going on? Huh?
I'm just chilling. What about you?
Shit.
Chilling. What about you?
Shit, chilling over here trying to find me a little man, little old woo-to-woo.
How old are you?
Well, I'm old enough to be your mama. Where your daddy at?
My dad?
Yeah.
Shoot.
Huh?
My dad in the room.
You go get him for me, shit. Your mama there?
Why? How old are you?
I'm chill. Go get him.
My dad 50. My dad 52. He got a wife.
I can be his side piece.
He's 52.
Alright, that's what I'm
He's
saying.
35.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna spend all your daddy check.
Exactly. He probably don't even got enough duty for my dad.
Man, I'm telling you, I'm gonna spend all your daddy check. All of it. Every dime.
You don't got enough.
Yeah, he gonna be in your room. He gonna be in your room trying to sell some of your shit.
You don't got enough booty for my dad. I'm
Listen,
sorry.
it don't even matter about that. It don't matter about that. It ain't what you got. It's how you use it. You ain't heard about the blues song, but I'm saying your daddy gonna, you know what I'm saying?
You don't know how to
You know what I'm saying? Your daddy gonna, he gonna be in your room selling your game and shit, trying to, you know, do what he gotta do for me. I'm gonna make sure I get every dime of that. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get every dime of that.
You don't even know how to twerk.
It don't matter though. I ain't gotta show you. I'm gonna show it to your daddy, baby. I'm gonna show it to your daddy, and that's what that little headset you got. You ain't gonna have it no more when I get done doing these little tricks. Okay. Ooh. Wow. You messing that little boy. Ooh, what you doing? You got a girlfriend? Huh? You stressed out, baby? I can't relieve all your stress. I can take all that away. You stressed? Huh? You stressed? Cause baby, I can take all that away. He hung up on my ass. I ain't got no volume. God damn it, you shitting, man? You mean tell me you shitting, man? You on a shitter? Oh, you little shitter, you. You can't be, you serious? You on a shitter, man? Oh, fuck. What's up, baby? What you got going on?
You
Yeah.
shake some ass.
Hell no, I ain't got nothing. I'm trying to get your name and number first. Damn, you done missed a step, didn't you? What's your number?
What?
What's your number? I said, damn, can I get your number before I shake my ass and shit? Like, what's up?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I can't just...
Alright, but shake your ass.
I can't shake nothing for
See it
free.
too.
I gotta at least know you. I get to know you first. Taking you out for a little date or something. You gotta at least go on a date. You know, I just can't be shaking ass for free. You gonna have to feed me.
I'm gonna have to what?
You gotta feed me. I can't be shaking ass for free. You know what I'm saying? He hung there, look. Shit. Ooh, I know I'm on the right side of the app now. What y'all got going on? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
You fool.
Yo, what's your number? What's your number? What's your number? What's your number? Who's single? Oh, I'm in the right place at the right motherfucking time. What's your... Oh, what's up, little daddy? What's your number? Huh? What's your number? What's your number? Huh?
Yeah, my man is perfect for you. I got me.
Let me see him. Cause baby, it's about to be cuffing scene. Ooh. What's up? Call me.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie on that dog. If I'm lining up fighting you, I know you played pootie tag. Pootie tag.
They ain't no way to talk to your girlfriend. You gotta learn some respect.
Hey, hell no.
Hell yeah. We go together. You trying to front in front of your little homeboys.
Back phone. Who you calling?
We go together.
That water bottle is a ketchup. I'm not stupid.
I'm saying we go together, baby. I forgive you. After this, you don't know. I forgive you. Boy, y'all is something. Ooh.
Man, be scaring motherfuckers all year round.
Ooh, y'all is something. Baby, shake, baby. Ooh. I'm trying to get over. Huh?
You trying to give a nigga nightmares?
No, I'm trying to get over there to y'all. What's y'all number?
Nah, you go with him.
What's y'all number?
Alright, well,
Trying to go live alone. Oh, whoa, baby. I'm in the right place at the right time. What y'all broke ass doing? I'm trying to get y'all number. Huh?
No.
Huh? Where you go? What's up, little daddy? Hey. Where you go, little daddy? Huh? Ooh. Oh, Lord, thank you, Lord. This is a blessing. Lord. Oh, God, dog. Oh. This is a blessing. Where he go? Where he go? Yeah, where he go?
Where'd you go, man?
Hey, what's your number? What's your number?
Oh shit, the phone fell.
Oh. I'm still here, baby. I'm here for you. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for you. Oh, yeah, I got all the time. I got all the time for you. Uh-huh. Woo. Yeah, I got all the time for you. Sure do.
What?
Huh? I got all the time. Where my baby go? Baby. Babe, I'm trying to be your little woo-the-woo. You better get on back here. You better get over here and get this number. What's your number? Huh? What's your number? What's your number? Damn it!
I can't disclose that information.
Because you don't want, because your homeboy's right there. I understand. Yeah, go and give it to me. Go and give it to me.
What?
Go and give it to me. I got you.
I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good, Sean.
You got, I mean, what you got? MySpace or something?
What?
MySpace. You got a MySpace?
Yo.
Huh? You got a MySpace or something?
What the fuck?
Huh? You ain't got no MySpace?
Who uses MySpace?
Baby, everybody.
I don't use MySpace.
You don't use MySpace?
No, I don't use my.
You got to get on there, baby. So I'm trying to get connected. You know what I'm saying? You got to do what we got to do.
What?
We're trying to do what we got to do. You know what I'm saying?
Get naked right now.
It's cuffing season about to come up. About to get cold. What's your number?
Get naked right now.
What's your number?
My number?
I knew the Lord was going to bless me with a good man. And something has told me to come on here. And it just crazy how I ran into you. And you was the one. What's your number?
Which one you talking about?
The one that ran out a while ago.
Yo. I got you with a man. Hold on. Wait a minute.
What you got for me?
Come in. Yo, I was so.
Oh, so y'all finna put me on a blind date?
Let the vibe go in here, bro.
So y'all put me on a blind date? Huh? Is this gonna be a blind date or something? Huh? This gonna be a blind date?
No.
Huh?
Man. Yo.
Where my man at? Is this supposed to be a blind date or something?
Yo.
Huh?
No way. Patience, man. Patience.
I want to be ready for my man. Like, I'm trying to make sure.
I got you a mask right here, yo. What's happening? I got you a mask right here.
Let me see.
Who's that? What's going on?
Let me see.
Oh, my
Oh, I can't wait. Oh, yes. Let me see my man. Where he go? Why y'all keep dropping me? Huh?
Hold on. Yo, come at camera.
Y'all, he acting shy. He's shy right now.
Oh, sorry. What's going on?
It's okay. I understand that you're shy and everything, but you know, I'm good. I'm just trying to find me a good man. What's your number?
Him?
Yeah, what's his number?
His number?
Yeah.
Who, me? Yeah. You know I don't got a phone, bro.
What's your number?
My number?
Why you keep,
I don't got my phone on me right now. I'll get back to you on that one.
No, come back. I need need to talk to you. I'm trying to get to know your name or something.
She said she really gonna fuck. Just get you naked.
What's your name?
Yeah, she said, what's your name?
My name is Victor.
Victor, come back. Is he shy or something? You are scared of girls. Are you scared of girls?
I do.
What's wrong with him? Hey,
he said he tried to come over.
Yeah, I'm calling custom cheeks.
I gotta get his number first. Duh.
Oh. Oh.
Yo, I know you trolling right now.
I am, and I enjoy playing with y'all, but I gotta go. I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go finish. I'm a YouTuber.
Hey, yo, she back the door with Dobby. She back the door with bro.
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, you a YouTuber?
I already did
That
this.
makes sense.
I already did this.
Cause I was like, ain't no way how she don't
I
have
seen-
a whole flip phone. You know?
Bro, I seen the team, bro. I seen the team. I was like, I already did this. Was the truth.
Ooh, what's up, baby? You right down the street from me.
Where you at?
Right here in Texarkana, trying to get to you.
That's not down the street.
Shit, about 2.5 hours, but I can get to you in no time.
I'm in Florida. That's not.
Baby, it said Dallas. That's all they had to say to me. They felt like I was close. Shit.
Dallas, my name.
That's what I'm saying. You know, wherever. I can come there. Florida, Miami, wherever you need me to be. California. What time you need me to be there?
I'll be there in 4 hours. You can be in 4 hours?
Baby, I do what I got to do for you. What's your number?
Are you ready for You still got the flip.
Baby, ain't nothing wrong with that, baby. Whatever it takes to...
You are. Ain't nothing wrong
Whatever
with
it takes to get your digits, baby. I don't care what I had to do. If I had a typewriter to type it up right now. You got
I ain't
my...
got a phone.
You got my space?
I do got on my space.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to get any connection I can, because we got a connection.
I don't know my password to my space, though. I'm not going to lie to you.
Okay,
I
that's
made that in
fine.
like 6th grade.
That's fine with me, baby. Just, you know, what I'm trying to...
You got a Gmail? You got an email?
I got it all. Whatever
What's
we
the
need,
email?
whatever we need to get connected.
All right, what's the email?
What's the email? I'm gonna get, matter of fact, I got MySpace, IG, whatever you need. I'm gonna give you my
Oh, you
IG.
Only ain't got an IG no more.
You ain't got no IG? Oh,
Nah.
oh, this is getting, dang, it's getting hard to be in a relationship with you. Jesus Christ. This is stressing.
You might have to find somebody else.
So, that's what I'm saying. We broke up before we got together. I don't like that.
For real. Hey, but you gonna find somebody better though.
Ain't nobody out here like that, like you.
Nah, I'm like on the bottom level. I'm the bottom tier. Like you gonna find a top tier nigga.
I need to react because you would sell me through all my flaws.
Well, of course, you know. Why wouldn't I? What?
No.
Wait, what you?
Oh.
I said the world's cold. I thought I said the world's hottest water.
Baby, this right here stay cold all day. And baby, you
bro,
want...
I got this right here. I got this one right here.
Oh, no, this one stay cold all day.
See, I don't need mine to be cold. I just need to be cold for like 4 hours and I'm good.
Baby, you cold enough. You want cold peace, and I'm trying to get over there so I can blow you out.
You gonna blow me out? What the hell?
You want cold
I'm
peace.
supposed to blow you out.
No, you just want cold peace, baby. You, ooh.
I appreciate that.
What you chewing on? I'm trying to chew that too.
No, I'm flossing my teeth.
I need to floss my teeth. I need to floss my teeth too.
Yeah, I gotta floss. I'm getting ready to go out in like 30 minutes, so I gotta floss.
Oh, well, let me get ready then.
Well, yeah, meet me there.
Hold on, let me get my gloss. Baby, ain't nowhere gonna know her lip gloss.
I mean, you already look good. What you mean? You ain't gotta get ready. You already look good. You ain't gotta get ready.
You full of shit.
Huh?
Oh, sunny. I'm trying to be you on a sunny day, baby. What you got going on?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Watching you. You look good. You got
Thank you.
You got a girlfriend?
No.
You don't have a girlfriend? Really? Wow. So this is like my golden opportunity. Wow, I never knew. I just didn't think that I was going to go on here. I said, I'm, trying to mingle. I just never thought I would get on here and just actually find a man like that.
You looks crazy, yeah.
Huh? Who look crazy?
You looks crazy.
I'm sorry, this what you gonna say to your woman? What's your number? What's your number, Sonny? Huh?
Mm-mm.
So, like, do we go together or what?
I'm sitting and chilling.
No, I know what you're doing. I'm trying to come over there and chill with you. Huh? What's up, Sonny? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Damn, Sonny hung up on my head. Hey! What y'all doing? Huh? What's y'all?
Boy.
Huh?
You say, huh?
I said, what y'all got going on over there?
Chilling.
You good?
Yeah, we throwing a party.
Shit, let me come. I'm trying to turn up too.
Oh, man, pull up then.
Hell yeah, I'm trying to throw that ass in a circle.
Oh, you gonna throw it in the circle?
Hell yeah, I am.
Oh, man, add me real quick.
Hell yeah, I'm ready to throw that ass in a circle. Shit.
Throw that ass in the circle. Hey, ride like a merry-go. She throw it back, I might hurt you.
Hey. Oh, shit.
I'm like, what?
Oh, Byron. Oh. What's up?
Damn, I got it.
Nah, forget that. I'm trying to get your number. What you got going on?
Nah, home.
Shit, boy, you want fine piece over there.
Baby, smile like this.
Oh.
Smile like this. I'm not trying to be mean or nothing. Yeah, I like that. I like that other smile. This one.
Oh, I love you. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Yes. What's up with us? You got a girlfriend? So what's up?
I don't know. You tell me.
Shit, I'm trying to tell you.
I'm chilling. I'm single.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to mingle. What's your number? Huh?
Are you being serious right now?
No, I'm being dead ass. You know what I'm saying? Girl, you know what I'm saying? I'm single, back on the prowl. What's your number? I thought he was worth it. I didn't know how. What's up?
Yeah.
What's your number? Yeah.
863.
Okay.
276.
Okay. Damn. Damn. Oh, what's up, baby? Oh my God.
Again, we were just talking.
I know we
I
was.
was shitting on the toilet.
Yeah, you was, baby. But I was calling you my Stone Cold Steve Austin. I said, ooh, I want him to come pick me up and spin me around. That's what I was saying. My Stone Cold.
You're hilarious. Is there anyone there with you?
No, baby, ain't nobody over here but me and you. You my Stone Cold. Ooh.
You got a big teeth with your big girl attitude.
Ooh, baby. I said, ooh, I like the way you talk to me. You a feisty thing. Ooh, you talk dirty to me. Say it again.
Don't just...
Say it again. I like the way you say that.
I wanna see you pull your teeth out.
Ooh. Bye.
You're so beautiful.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna put an end to my freaking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you stick around for the next one. And it's Bandrunnerz Squad all day, every day. And I'm in, and now I'm out. Peace out, squad.